Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's kitchen. Today I'm just going to show you how to make a quick mint sauce. This goes wonderfully with lamb chops. I have so many variations. Unfortunately, I'm not doing my favorite one today, but I will share with you my recipe during this process. So your main ingredients is olive oil and mint. I'm adding a touch of rocket today, but this makes it very herby. You need some salt, some zest of lemon or lemon juice, some water, and pop everything into your blender. I have added a touch of rocket today, but my favorite is with either some fresh coriander or even parsley. Sometimes I even pop in a clove of garlic. Add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, some salt to taste, and pepper as well. I add about 2 tablespoons of warm water and some zest of lemon or some lemon juice. You just whiz all that up together. I blend it for about 30 to 45 seconds. You need to blend, then stop your machine, take it out, give it a good shake, and put it back on to blend. You will immediately see the beautiful color being created. You can drop all of that into your bowl and spoon it over some yummy lamb chops. The perfect combination is lamb chops with some mint sauce. Delicious. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon.